In this video, I'll show you how to easily earn up to $264,000 per month by making simple videos. I'll demonstrate one of the types of videos you can post on your YouTube channel. The process of making such a film is very simple, and anyone, regardless of whether they can edit films or not, can do it. At the end of the video, I'll show you what you should avoid in order to get your YouTube channel monetized, so you can earn money with AdSense. This video is the only guide you need to see if you want to start making money on YouTube with little to no effort. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and like this video. You can also suggest a topic for the next video in the comments. I also give shoutouts to my subscribers, so subscribe now if you want to be mentioned in my next video. Thank you for your support. Before I show you how to make videos that will earn you tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars per month, take a look at what our competition is doing and which titles and tags are most effective. In the search box, type thunderstorm sounds for sleeping. We must now sort videos by views to determine how many views videos in this niche receive. As you can see, these films have great potential, and it is a proven niche where, with the right commitment and regularity, our channel has the potential for huge growth. If your channel stands out from the competition, you will earn more money than your favorite YouTuber, with the difference that you will keep your privacy because you do not have to show your face in these videos or say anything. If we already know which titles get the most clicks, pick one of them and see if they use any tags, then copy them along with the title. As you can see, this video has a lot of tags. You can use them in your video because they have been checked and used by the video that has received a lot of views. You can do the same with the title. You can translate it into other languages to attract even more viewers. There are a lot of evergreen videos in this niche. That is, a video you upload once will get more or less views all the time because such videos will still be up to date and viewers will be looking for them all the time. These videos are so simple to create that this could be your third or even fourth channel. You won't spend much time with him because these films don't require much concentration. Now that we know what our potential viewers want, let's take it a step further and make a movie that YouTube users expect from us. We will use free materials that are available to everyone for this purpose, so there will be no additional costs. I'll also show you a paid alternative where you can get high-quality storm sounds. You can begin using this site as soon as you begin earning money from your videos, and the subscription fee is so low that you won't notice it even if your channel earns thousands of dollars per month. We'll need a background for our movie. Rainy day films must be used as the backdrop in this niche. You're probably wondering where we'll get these films from which we'll make videos for our channel. It is best if you record them yourself with your phone, as this will set you apart from the competition and will be greatly appreciated by the viewers. However, not everyone lives in a climate where it frequently rains, and not everyone has the time to create such a film on their own. If you are one of these people, you should visit the pages I will show you shortly. Pexels.com is the website I'm using. I've been using it for a long time, and it's always had everything I needed. It is a massive collection of free photos and videos. We can use any file on this website without fear of infringement. I've downloaded a lot of files from there and never had any copyright problems, so you shouldn't either. However, remember to always read and follow the licenses on such websites to ensure that your films are free of copyright. I'll type rain into the search field to find the movies I'm looking for. As you can see, there are a lot of movies to choose from, and I can pick the ones I like the best. Now I'll pick a few and download them. At this point, I'm not going to worry about whether the snippets I use are more or less appropriate, because the purpose of this video is to show you how to make these videos, not to create the perfect video with millions of views. I just downloaded a few videos at random. We'll put them to use later when we're editing our film. Since we already have the background for our film, we must now focus on the sounds that will appear in it. To accomplish this, we will navigate to the Mix Kit page and select the sounds of interest. I'll pick a few of them so that the film I make isn't boring and monotonous for our audience. It is critical that our films do not appear to be the result of a single movie with the background and one sound looped for several hours. Now I'll download a few sounds and show you another page that you can use once you've made your first dollar from your YouTube channel. This website has an epidemic sound. I've been using it on many of my channels for a long time, and it's never let me down. Few people choose to purchase such a subscription, but it is extremely useful. You have access to thousands of sound effects and music that your competitors don't, and they don't even know where you get the music for your movies, which makes viewers notice the difference in your movies. Now that we have the background for our film and all of the necessary sounds, we can begin editing it. I'll be using Adobe Premiere Pro for this, but you can use whatever program you normally use. I'll only use the program's basic functions, so you can make your own movie in the same way. As you can see, I have gathered all of the necessary materials in the program, and now I will add the files that will be responsible for our movie's background to the timeline. I arrange them one by one and duplicate them several times, so that my film is about the same length as other films in this genre. Now I can place our storm sounds beneath the fragments prepared in this manner. I just showed you how to make movies with the potential to earn you thousands of dollars. As you may have noticed, it is extremely simple and only requires basic assembly skills. Let's move on to what you should avoid if you want to start a channel in this niche. For starters, you cannot use the same backgrounds and sounds as other channels. Make an effort to make each video stand out from the crowd on YouTube and on your channel. YouTube does not like duplicate content, and reviewers will carefully examine what you insert to ensure that it is unique and has not been stolen from other channels. You must record your own audio and video for your channel to be completely safe. You cannot rely solely on information obtained from the internet. If you found it, it was probably before or after you, and their films will be similar to yours, as well as almost identical in the manual. As a result, when it comes to monetization via files obtained from the internet, these channels are not entirely secure. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you again soon. Please remember to like and subscribe.